Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy B Pharmacy Semester 2 Environmental Sciences Non-University Theory Informative Session. In this informative session, we are going to know about the important key areas. So according to our EVS theory subject, that is the very easiest and interested subject. Okay, so we can easily categorize the subjects based on the key area wise. Okay, because all topics will be very easy. If you are go through the first chapter, I mean in unit 2, that is based on the natural resources. Okay, for example, forest resources, water resources, food resources, land resources, mineral resources and energy resources. And also this unit will be having the general introduction about the environmental education. So from these 6 resources, any 2 resources must be asked. Okay, then the second unit, it has ecosystem. Okay, different types of ecosystem. For example, terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. Okay, in aquatic ecosystem there are different types. For example, pond ecosystem, stream ecosystem, ocean ecosystem, estuarine ecosystem, river ecosystem, marine ecosystem, and in another hand the another ecosystems like grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, these are coming under terrestrial ecosystem. Okay, then in chapter 3 there are 3 different types of pollutions like air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So if you are categorizing the important questions, means totally the 15 questions only will be asked. That's all our syllabus. Okay, so just we are go through about the water resources, water pollution and water ecosystem. I mean aquatic ecosystem means fairly 2 questions must be asked. So in natural resources, we have to know about the role of an individual in the conservation of natural resources. Then role of an individual in the controlling of the environmental pollution. These are the essential key points in our environmental education. Thank you. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். நன்றி.